Could you turn it around and show everybody what's on that card? It is a picture of a
Badger.
So I'm hoping you've been left with a decimal answer. There'll be maybe a couple of numbers, decimal point, and then a load of numbers after the decimal point. The decimal numbers are what we're interested in, but we're going to turn them into letters of the alphabet. So 1 would be A, 2 would be B, C would be 3. Straightforward, nice and simple. So what is the first number to the right of the decimal point?
4.
Which would be A, B, C, D. I'm going to write the letter D here. C, D, E, F, G. And is there anything else after the 7?
1.
We'll use that nice and easy. That's just the letter A. So that gives us this combination of letters. I'm going to ask you to try and jumble up to make it into the longest word that you possibly can. Okay, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do that. If you can use all 6, you would win the game. Okay, so your time begins now. And your time is over.
Okay.
So how did you do?
Yeah, I've got one.
What, all 6?
Yeah.
Excellent, we're impressed with that. Okay, what word have you gone for?
Badger.
Badger. Okay, excellent. I'm really impressed with that. The word badger. That seems fair, doesn't it? I mean, you could have literally chose from any hundreds of different combinations of numbers, all of which would have created hundreds of different combinations of decimals. But you see, it's not fair, and it's predictable. And if you see on the little laminated card, there's a little picture for you. And if you could have a look at that, and could you show the camera? It is a badger.